Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up Patreon tutorial. So let's start. So first of all, we need to search the Patreon on the App Store or the Google Play, which you can see. Now, after seeing this, you have to click and install this Patreon if you want to do this. Otherwise, other options are available. But click on this. Now it will ask you to set up your Google, Apple, Facebook, or any type of information. So just click on the Google option. Right now I am doing with Google. You can do with other accounts also. Patreon wants to use your google.com to sign in. Okay, continue. Okay, it will take me to another page. Here it will ask me to confirm the information. Then after confirming the information, Patreon would like to send you notifications. Okay, allow. Okay, so this is the basic user interface and we have reached here. Now basically we have logged in the app. Now you can see it's loading very slowly. Now I think I have to click on this left. Okay, now this is my main information page. I have to check my settings. Okay, it cannot be checked. Settings. Okay, my email is here, my notification settings, private profile. So this is how you set up your Patreon page. Now you can scroll here, you can find people which you want to follow, find a creator. I don't know who might be a creator, but yes, this is how you can set up a page and find and follow a creator. Thank you for watching. This was it for this tutorial. I will see you